Some people come home to their wife cooking. I come home to my wife looking like this. Still gonna hit it though.
I am painting Dragon Ball, okay? Just your generic Dragon Ball face. The one that can be used for Goku, Vegeta, and Trunks. And technically Tien a little bit. Yes, I do look crazy. Thank you for asking. Okay, so I am only doing a bust paint here. Do I look manly yet? Triple titted. Wait, what? Looking buff, thank you. Thank you very much. Flex for the camera? Oh. Just wait until I actually have my muscles on, Shiori. Come on now. My arms are actually like kind of pumped from the gym still, I think, because they just feel muscular right now. Guys, do I look like I have a Hulk hand? Like a Hulk arm? Here. Alright, I'm done with the arms for a bit. Let's do the face. I should totally put in the contacts now. Alright, that one's in too. Now I gotta give that one a second just to cry a little. Getting closer to being done. I just gotta get the lines for the eyes right, and then line the face, add some lines to the muscles. Like, the muscles in the body probably isn't perfect. I think it's gonna be fine. I think the very last thing besides putting on the wigs is to paint my hands, which, as you may remember, is my least favorite part. But it is necessary to complete the look, otherwise it just looks real freaking weird. Like, guys, I think this is the moment of truth here. Hold on. Let me take those off. Those are sweaty. I gotta, like, my hands are a little bit maybe wet still. Get ready. Get ready for this. Okay, it works for Vegeta, right? Kakarot? Do I look like Vegeta right now? Guys, do I look like Trunks too? Trunks has blue eyes, but you get it, right? Like... Just Goku has an extra large forehead right now. Thanks for coming to hang out. I love you guys. Bye.
Let me get down.